Windows shortcuts that will make your life easier. As you can see, the Windows logo key on a keyboard looks like an unuseful key, but it's a lifesaver. You can press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S to capture a screenshot of a particular area of your screen, which we can call partial screenshot. The screenshot directly saves in the clipboard, so you can paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V. You can press Windows logo key plus V to access your clipboard history. The clipboard history contains images, texts and screenshots. But at first, you have to turn on the clipboard history option in the settings app. For turning on the clipboard history option, you have to go on Start, then Settings, then System, scroll here. Here you can see the clipboard option. Click here, then turn on the clipboard history option. For example, I'm in Notepad, then I'm copying the text, and now I'm copying a logo of YouTube from Chrome. Here's the YouTube logo, and if I press again and click on here, that's how you can open your clipboard history with pressing Windows logo key plus V. You can press Windows logo key plus D to hide all your windows and go to the desktop. For example, I am in Microsoft Store. Then I opened Microsoft Edge and then I opened File Explorer. If I press Windows logo key plus D now, I'm in the desktop launcher. So use the shortcuts. Subscribe for more.